For 100 years, engine manufacturers have continued to make innovative advancements to meet market expectations. Advancements include turbocharger systems, electronic sensors to optimize combustion, common rail fuel systems, and dynamic thermostats. Today, the focus on decarbonization poses unique challenges for engine manufacturers: emission reduction, fuel flexibility, environmental adaptability. As the world changes, our solutions to these problems must evolve too. Optimizing engine performance and efficiency requires precise temperature control across the three main cooling circuits. The most common method to regulate engine temperatures has been wax-based thermostats. AMOT has manufactured these for more than 75 years, and wax-based thermostats are the standard engine temperature control solutions due to simplicity and reliability. But for the past 30 years, engine manufacturers have been transitioning to dynamic temperature control valves due to the flexible set points, fast response time, and external sensing capability. With a turnkey drop-in solution, AMOT makes upgrading your existing wax-based technology easy and efficient. AMOT designs and manufactures a unique line of actuators that withstand heavy vibration, extreme temperature cycles, and the ingress protection to ensure reliable performance. All of this is achieved in a compact solution that easily integrates with the existing cooling system. Are you ready for the next generation of dynamic temperature control? Trust in AMOT's 75-year legacy in developing best-in-class control devices for engine manufacturers. Connect with AMOT experts today to review your applications and to make sure that your engine runs its best every time. Cleaner, tighter, cooler.